How to cure acne with lemon. Acne is one of the most common skin conditions and millions of people around the world have acne. Every one of us has tried different remedies to cure acne, and the scars followed by it. But they just don't seem to work, and all our efforts turn to waste. However, lemon is known to work effectively on acne and its scars. Read on to find out how to cure acne with lemon. It just might be the ultimate cure that you have been looking for. How to cure acne with lemon. Lemon can be used in many ways to treat acne, pimple marks, and acne scars. 1. Lemon juice wash. Firstly, cleanse your skin with mild soap and water and dry it with a clean cloth. After this, dip a cotton ball in lemon juice and directly apply it to the affected area. Make sure that you squeeze out the excess liquid from the cotton before applying. Let it dry for 10 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. Repeat this twice daily to reduce the acne. 2. Lemon juice and rose water. For this, mix lemon juice and rose water in equal proportions. Wash your face and apply this mixture directly to your skin. Let it dry for 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse it with cool water. Rose water is a skin toner and has antibacterial properties. It also dilutes the acidic nature of the lemon. You can repeat this treatment twice a day. 3. Lemon juice and honey. The best way to treat for acne is using the mixture of lemon juice and honey. Honey contains antibacterial properties and works amazingly when combined with the beneficial properties of lemon. Prepare a face mask with 1 tablespoon of honey and half a squeezed lemon. Apply it all over the face, avoiding the eye area. Wash it warm water after letting it dry for 15 to 30 minutes, then finish it with splash of cold water. 4. Lemon and baking soda. Acne breakout is another painful condition that follows with acne. To prevent this, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 1 spoon of lemon juice and apply the mask all over your face. After leaving it 10 to 20 minutes, remove it in a scrubbing motion. This mixture exfoliates the dead skin around the acne. 5. Drink up the lemon juice. Lemon is packed with antioxidants and other compounds that removes the toxic substances from your body. It hydrates your body and also improves digestion. Drinking lemon clears out the system, fights skin problems and definitely brightens the skin tone. Are you now wondering how lemon helps in fighting acne? Well, lemon has astringent properties to push the oil out of the skin. Its antiseptic property kills bacteria and reduces scars caused by acne. Lemon is also a cheap and remedy for acne, so when are you trying it? If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.